Hi there, this is Rob, and this is the 2-minute overnight overview for Tuesday. Let's take a quick look at the odds sheet, and then I'll discuss my interpretation and how I handled it. Looking at the averages column, you can see that NQ is the lone index security to be highlighted in green, indicating it met the minimum requirements of 55% profitable and a profit factor of at least 1.3. Several other securities came quite close, including QQQ, SPY, and ES. ES posted moderately favorable odds from a price action standpoint. Internals were strong, but seasonality was weak, so it didn't quite meet the minimum. Trading room was closed yesterday, and when that is the case, I normally try and post some notes to the trading room page around the close. Yesterday I noted the Edge Finder had identified a Turnaround Tuesday study as being in effect, further building the bullish case, but as I noted shortly before 4 p.m., I plan to stand aside unless odds turn more favorable at 4:15 p.m. close. That didn't happen, so I did not take an overnight trade. I'll also quickly note that I've added another page under the Education section for special studies. The Turnaround Tuesday study is one that can be found there. I'll also be looking to add several more over time. So let's take a peek and see how the overnight played out. It was a volatile overnight. After a strong start, futures tumbled shortly after the European Open, but they found their lows pretty quickly and began to rebound from there. There was then another dip leading up to the Open. In the end, ES opened exactly where it started. So let's take a look at the daily chart, and I'll discuss a potential setup for tonight. ES has both closed lower and below its open the last 2 days. A down close today would make it 3 in a row. I looked at other instances since 2000 that ES closed down for at least the third day in a row and closed below its open for the third day in a row at least, but closed above the 200-day moving average. Here are the results. Of the 60 instances, 2/3 of them gapped up the next morning, with the average gap up nearly as large as the average gap down. This equates to a profit factor of 1.79 for long. So let's take a look at the profit curve. Though choppy, the edge has persisted for a long time. I'll examine this more closely in the trading room this afternoon, including taking a look at times at the lower close and close under the open if it occurred exactly 3 times in a row. But that's it for now. Thanks for listening, and rest easy.